Hello guys, welcome back to Hyderabadi Pakwan. Today we will learn how to make lemon rice. In a non-stick pan, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 dried red chili, 2 green chilies and a handful of curry leaves, 4 to 5 cashew nuts and a handful of peanuts. Saute for a minute but don't burn them. Add half teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. One and a half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir once and immediately add the cooked rice. Mix it well. Add freshly squeezed lemon juice of 1 lemon. Mix one more time. Close the lid and cook it for 2 more minutes on a low flame. Your easy lemon rice is ready to serve. You can give this to your kids for lunch box. Also pair it with some fresh fruits. If you find our recipes helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel Hyderabadi Pakwan. Thank you.